Hello my dear students. So here we are continuing with our exercise 2B. Okay. So third question, first part. The height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meter. Write it in standard form. Okay. Standard form, you know, I told you earlier also. Standard form is m into 10 raised to the power n. Clear? So here m will be 8848, but it should be in decimal form, so 8.848. How many decimals places? 1 2 3, so 10 raised to the power 3. This is the answer. Very easy. Clear? Now second part, the speed of light is 3. How much is there? 30 crore. Okay, 30 crore meter per second. Express it in the standard form. Clear? So here very easy, only 3 is there now, so why to we cannot change it in decimal part, like it is equals to, we can write 3 also, 3.0. so here 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second is the answer. Clear? Now the third part is, the distance from the earth to the sun is 1496, and how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, meter. Write it in standard form. So distance is itna, and we will change 1496 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter. So here what we will do, 1.496 multiply by 10 raised to the power 8 multiply 10 raised to the power, how many places? 3, so 3 will be here. 1.496 multiply by 10 raised to the power 8 plus 3. Clear? So here 1.496 into 10 raised to the power 8 or 3, 11. Clear? So the answer is 1.496 into 10 raised to the power 11. Clear? I think it is very easy, because you have to change it in the standard form as we have done in our first question. Clear? And these are the large numbers. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 4. So mass of earth is 5.97 into 10 raised to the power 24 kg, and mass of moon is 7.35 into 10 is to 10 raised to the power 22 kg. What is the total mass of the two? So if we need to know the total mass, so we need to add the mass of earth with the mass of moon. Clear? So here what we have done, mass of earth is 5.97 into 10 raised to the power 24, and mass of moon is 7.35 into 10 raised to the power 22. So here total mass is equals to mass of earth plus mass of moon. So we are adding both the numbers. So here 5.97 into 10 raised to the power 24 plus 7.35 into 10 raised to the power 22. As you can see here that the power 10 raised to the power 24 and 10 raised to the power 22. Can we take 10 raised to the power 22 common? Because here 24 is here, na, power. What is the power here? 24, and here power is 22. So we can take the power like 10 raised to the power 22 common. So as we have taken this common, so the question the leftover is 5.97 into 10 raised to the power 2 plus 7.35. Clear? So here if we open it, 5.97 multiply by 100 is equals to 597. Clear? So here 10 raised to the power 22 and 597 plus 7.35, and further by adding it we will get 604.35 into 10 raised to the power 22 is the answer. Clear? Now coming to the next question, that is question number 5, we have to write each of the following numbers in standard form. Okay, so like you have studied one topic, expressing small numbers in standard form. So it is a type of that question only. We have to express small numbers into standard form. So no problem, no big deal. we can solve it easily. So the first part is 0.0006. Okay, as you know that 0 is only counted for the decimal place. It doesn't matter if 0 is written like this, so it will be 6 only. Clear? So how many places? 1 2 3 4 decimal places. So here it will be 6 by 10,000. Clear? So we can just one more thing. Earlier in the previous videos I told you that if you need to, like some number 1 by 3 is written and the power is negative, I told you like this. So what you were doing, you were just doing the reciprocal of it to make the power positive. Clear? But in this question we need to write in the standard form. Doesn't matter that the power is negative or positive, right? We have studied in the standard form, like what the rule or the property of standard form was that we have to write in the form of m into 10 raised to the power n, where m should be in the decimal form and n doesn't matter it is positive or negative. It can be positive, it can be negative. Clear? So here in this question what we are doing, we are reversing that our rule of converting into the power converting into positive. We are now converting the power into negative. Okay, so here 6 by 10,000. So we are just again we are doing it like if we are writing 6 into 10 raised to the power 4, we cannot write 4 because it was divided earlier, right? So here we will write minus 4, the power will be negative. Clear? Now coming to the second part, 0 point, how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 83. Okay, so 83 by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Clear? And we can write like this also, 83 by 10 raised to the power 8 is equals to 8.3. Now we have to write in, we need to understand that m is always in decimal form. So 8.3 into 10 raised to the power 1. Clear? By 10 raised to the power 8. Clear? So here 8.3 multiply by 10 raised to the power 8 को ऊपर ले जाना है minus 8, and here 10 raised to the power 1 was written na, and if both the powers are multiplying then we have to plus the powers. So 8.3 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 plus 1, so it will be 8.3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 7. It is the answer. Clear? Now coming to the third part is 534 by 534, 0.0000, how many zeros are there? So it is 534. Clear? So you just do it, and 534 by 10 raised to the power 10. Clear? So then 534 into 10 raised to the power minus 10, because we have just changed it. Then 5.34, so raised to the power 2 we have taken, and 10 raised to the power minus 10. Then 5.34 into minus 10 plus 2, and we will get the answer 5.34 into 10 raised to the power minus 8. So the fourth part is 27. Okay, 0.0027, not 27, 27. After decimal we just don't say the numbers like 27, 28, we just speak the digits only, like 27, like this. So 0.0027 and 4 decimal places are there, so 10,000. So 27 by 10 raised to the power 4. Clear? Now 27 into 10 raised to the power minus 4, then 2.7 multiply by 10 raised to the power 1 multiply by 10 raised to the power minus 4. Clear? Then 2.7 multiply by 10 raised to the power minus 4 plus ka 1. and 2.7 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 is the answer. Very easy. Now fifth part, 0.00000165. So 165 by 10 raised to the power 8. Clear? Then 165 into 10 raised to the power minus 8. Clear? Then 1.65 into 10 raised to the power 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 is equals to 1.65 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 plus 2 will be minus 6. This is the answer. Understood? So now the last part is 0. How many zeros? I think 8. Okay. So 689. So 689 by 10 raised to the power 11 is equals to 689 multiply 10 raised to the power minus 11 is equals to 6.89 into 10 raised to the power 2. As soon as you just change it in decimal form now, you have to give the power. Okay. So here 6.89 into 10 raised to the power 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 11. Clear? So then 6.89 into 10 raised to the power. Here minus 11 plus 2 will be minus 9. This is the answer. Clear? So here in this video we have finished till question number 5. Clear? I hope you understood. Thank you.